Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add alerts on OBS. So first of all you need to do, of course, is just go to your browser and download OBS. So all you need to do, just write OBS, and as you can see here, the first link, just go here, download it for maybe if you have Windows or Mac or even Linux. So after that, all we need to do, just go at Streamlab. Then all you need to do, just go to here to the first link, of course, again. Then as you can see here, you don't want to download it, of course. All you need to do, just go and click at login. So then all you want to do, just log into whatever you want, or you have, maybe if you want to log in with a Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or even Trovo. So let me just log in and I'm going back to you. So after logging into Streamlabs, all you need to do, just go here and click at skip, because we don't want to download it. Of course, just go and click skip again. Maybe if you want to add a PayPal account, you can do that. Then now all you want to do is just select your plan. Just go and select the free plan. If you want, you can pay, do whatever you want. Just click then add complete. So after that, all we need to do, just go here at the left corner and click add alert box. So as you can see here, maybe if you want to read that, just go ahead and read it, or maybe even watch the videos. Then go X. If you don't want to do that, just do whatever I did here, or I will do here. So here you will add the alerts that you want, choose whatever text or picture, or even maybe custom bad words. Maybe if you have bad words you don't want to appear to your alerts, just here choose whatever you want. Maybe you can add an alert for donations, subscribers or members, or whatever you want. Then all you need to do, after adding your customized alerts, just go here to the URL and click add copy. So as you can see here, you need to read this, of course. Do not share this with anyone, of course. You will not share it. All you need to do, just click on copy, then go back to your OBS. So as you can see, after downloading OBS, of course, all you need to do, just set up it, then click and launch it. Click on it and launch it. Then all you need to do, just go here and click at the add icon or the plus icon at the scene section. Then all you need to do, just name your scene, or let it like that, as I will do, and go at sources, then click at plus. Then all you need to do, just go here and click at browser, then click at OK. Then here all you need to do, just delete this URL and paste the URL that you copied from Streamlabs. Then if you click on OK, as you can see, the URL, all the alerts that you create, it will appear here, and you can adjust the size of it. For me, I didn't create an alert, so it will not appear here. So if you start to record and someone maybe donate to you or subscribe to you, it will appear here as an alert, as the customized alert that you have did, or that you did on Streamlabs. So that it will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.